Good morning. Today I'll read out a poem. If all the animals had brains. Think of an evolution that could take place by intervention of a crazy scientist who could alter the genes of all living beings and make all animals leave their animal ways. There would be wise goats and sheep who could corner a human being for its meat. If all animals could feel and talk, like the animals in the Jungle Book of Rudyard Kipling, if animals were to have a human mind, would the world be different then? Could we compete with the four-legged beasts? Would we see the heavyweights, the lions, tigers, bears, and wolves, as the new rulers of this world stage? Would they be the new bosses? Would they order tree houses to be built for the new bosses of this wild world? And whom would they pick for the job? Pick up the two-legged humans to be chained and trained to do every job for them, or be scratched, bitten, or eaten alive? Many humans would have only one leg or limb, the other eaten away by hungry dogs or kittens. Humans could be an easy prey, for their bodies are neither strong nor rugged. Elephants and buffaloes would realize their powers to clear the jungles of leopards and tigers. The cows and buffaloes would no longer be afraid of a lion or a bear. They would dare to challenge because of awareness of their numerical and physical strength. The lion's roar would not be heard again, as they would have been chased by herds of cattle who are aware of their strengths. But all in the wild would keep the humankind. There would be a great demand for humans stitching clothes for the cows and buffaloes. Their two hands would be useful in building colonies for the ones who were once called wild. Humans would make delightful cooks for those who are tired of eating raw food. There could be a realignment of animals between the oppressed and oppressors. The dogs and cattle would join legs together to form a formidable force to beat and conquer their earlier aggressors, the lions and the tigers. The lions and tigers would not rule the jungles anymore, for they'll be chased away from jungles or be domesticated and chained like dogs to keep a vigil at nighttime intruders. The two-legged beings, however, would find place in the kingdom of intelligent animals. Their two hands would work wonders. Thank you.